Happy Sunday, my country people them. As I don't know all, I be sorry say my voice dey so kind the crack, the go. Na say as una know say dry season dey can finish so and rain season wan start. Na so you fit get cough and you fit get catarrh. Na why I talk say my make these videos for tell you say you get to take care for yourself. This season so no, you get to take plenty vitamin C them. I don start to take am. Oranges them, yes. Grapes them, yes, and even lemons or lime pure. Now whether I don't prevent am make my voice no go or now whether at least if you understand, if you hear me as I dey talk now, so I hope so you don't be satisfied. Don't forget to dey drink hot water from time to time, from morning even the whole day. Drink warm water for make your voice, your throat continue for the relax. I hope so you don't enjoy this small advice I don't give you, because today na Sunday tips, Sunday advice. Okay, take good care for yourself now. Bye bye.